Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer everything from one iPhone to another iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure both iPhones are charged, Wi-Fi is turned on, and Bluetooth is turned on. Place both iPhones next to each other. Now turn on your new iPhone. Choose your language and country. When you reach the screen that says quick start, stop there. On your old iPhone, a message will appear saying set up new device. Tap continue. A moving animation will appear on the new iPhone. Use your old iPhone camera to scan the animation. Open your camera on your old iPhone and scan the animation appeared on your new iPhone. This connects the both phones. Now enter your old iPhone passcode on the new iPhone to transfer directly from iPhone. Transfer will now start. This may take some time depending on how much data you have. Do not turn off either phone. Once the transfer is complete, your new iPhone will restart. Now you will see all apps, photos, contacts and messages just like your old iPhone. And that's it. This is how you can easily transfer data from one iPhone to another iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.